7:30 na ng umaga. At pupunta tayo ngayon sa poolside kasi hindi ko pa siya napupuntahan. So, balik 3 days na kami dito sa hotel. So, pupunta tayo ngayon dito sa 4th floor. Oh, so ito yung pool area nila. Medyo makulimlim ha. Ayan sila oh. Good morning! Sana pala bumaba sila rin. Maganda pala rito. Kesa sa tinatanaw mo lang. Hello! Good morning! Oh. Gusto mo ma-swimming? Orange juice? Ah. So ito yung palibot ng aming hotel. Pasensya na guys, bagong gising tayo eh. So ito yung palibot ng ito yung mismong hotel namin. Ayan. So mamaya pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas mamayang gabi. Ang flight namin is 7:20 ng gabi. Pero after check out ng 11 ng umaga ngayon ay diretso na kami ng airport. Tapos doon na kami maghihintay para makapag-masyal din kami sa ibang part ng airport. Ito raw ang sikat na orange bendo. Magkano? $2? Okay. So maglalagay na tayo ng yan, $2. Uy, yun na.
So, what we do?
You know.
Let me see.
Ipipisa nila yung orange juice. Ayan, tignan nyo na. Wait lang. Tumutulo na ba dyan? They're waiting for their freshly squeezed orange from Australia. Pero nasa Singapore kami ha. Woo! Can you get that? Init?
Yay!
Straw? Here you go. Sakay na kami ng train. Going to Changi Airport. Uwi na kami ng Manila. Oops! Oh, cute picture. Okay guys, pauwi na tayo ng Philippines at nakakalungkot no, parang bitin yung 5 days pero sulit na sulit dahil napuntahan natin yung mga must no, mga dapat puntahan and as usual, the airport is very good here.
Hello, guys. Go do your homework. No vacation for everyone. Okay, go. When you finish your homework, you can just go vacation.
Lagyan na kami ng aming luggage. Okay na yan, Julia.
No.
Oh, may tag na tayo lahat, guys. We're all done. We're going back na. Uwi na kami sa Philippines. See you there.
We're gonna go to Canada.
No.
Side in, hands up. Hands up, side in. Yes. Next time you have side handle, put your back on the side handle. Okay.
Tara guys, pupuntahan natin dito tong rain vortex. Let's take a look. One last look. Ito naman guys yung lowest part ng rain vortex, no? Yung nasa baba. Ah, cute. Galing. Oh, nagutom ng dalawa. Ang favorite nila, fries and ano yan, chicken. You want that, Chan? Open natin. Sige. Bakit? Okay. Malakas sa hangin dyan? Ha? It's cold. O sige na, tara na. What fish is that? What fish?
White.
Oh, it's a tilapia fish. It's good, huh? There are different
It's a
fishes
white.
here.
Come here. Let's go there, guys. Come on, guys. Don't walk. Let's go. Oh, there's a lady. Oh! That little fish is going to the bed. Oh, where are we going to the fish? Oh, that. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, there's more fish. Water.
You're walking in water.
I'm in water diving. Can you
Alright.
believe it? I can walk on water. Hello guys. We're gonna go to W and washing machine. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, stand up. Stand up. Come on, let's walk.
We're going na. We're going to our departure area. Oh no. Isang piraso guys is ano? Halos $4. Yan yung mga gamit natin, oh. Inaakit na nila. I-load na nila sa ating airplane. Yan ang aming airplane. Flight 918.
Singapore Airlines.
Lilia? Wow, galing nga.
Picture hot.
You like it? Huh? You like? Meatballs and mashed potato? It's nice. Ice cream pa siya. Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Naiya at nakalapag na rin kami after ng 1 hour mahigit na paghihintay dahil walang terminal na open or meron nakalagay daw ng aeroplano, may nakapark daw na aeroplano sa terminal namin. So, meron kaming delay. Kanina pa kami, kailangan oras na, launa na. Pero ganun pa man, okay naman na naging flight natin.